Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to get started with Specta loan process. I'm going to tell you how much loan can you actually get on this Specta loan platform, and of course, what are the things they literally need from you if we can get started. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole process, and I also found out that people are finding it so difficult in reaching out to the customer support in case there is any issue for them. But then I'm gonna walk you through how to go through that. And of course, if you need a business loan for yourself, or you need a personal loan, which of course you want to use to solve out some certain problems, so you can reach out to Specta loan platform, which of course they are very much available to give anyone a loan as long as you have everything that needed to get started with them. So if you are a first timer on this particular platform, so you can just click on the get started, or let's guide you through the whole process on how it can go or get started with the Specta loan platform. And it's very easy to also get a loan from this platform if you provide, or once you provide all the requirements which they ask you from. They are going to disburse a loan direct to your bank account, which you provided under 1 hour. So it's as simple as that. And this is actually the interest rate if you borrow a loan from Specta. So the loan range for between 25% to 28%, and they also offer one-off payment for assurance, which is 2.5%, and one-off payment of management fee, which is 1%. And they also offer a repayment period of time, which fall around 1 month to 12 months, which is 365 days. And if you fail to pay within the time which you both agreed on, you're going to pay a penalty fee of 1%. So you also explain in details on how you can actually go about it by borrowing money, or borrowing a loan, or taking a loan from Specta loan platform. So they say, for example, if you take a 2 million naira loan from Specta, then with the duration of 12 months, but literally if you want to borrow a loan from this platform for a business, so the interest rate will be 25.5%, and you are going to be paying back 188,000 interest rate for 12 months. That means if you borrow 2 million naira, then you are going to be paying that's 2,180,000 naira for this platform in order to pay back. And then the exclusive management fee is 1%, and then the insurance fee of 2%, which are one-off fees, which of course you have to pay in addition to the monthly payment, which of course you are paying. So some people find it so difficult to understand how the loan actually works, and some people find it like this interest rate is actually much than what other people are charging. But then if you look into some other loan platform, you will also notice that the loan which they are going to be giving to you might not up to this kind of loan amount, which is 2 million naira. And some platform might also borrow you 100,000 naira, even though you need that loan for a business purpose. And some would say they will also borrow you 1 million naira. But then it all depends on how much loan you are taking. If you are taking less than 2 million naira loan, I'm very sure this interest rate will fall between 18% or 20%. So that is how it goes, which I'm very sure about. So if you are very much interested in getting a business loan, so I would recommend Specta loan platform, which is one of the best loan platform, which of course you can look into. But then if you think the interest rate is very much than what you can actually pay for, then I guess you can look into some other loan platform, which I've already made a video about, which of course they are ready to give you a loan of up to 1 million naira, which of course you can also manage if the business you literally want to start fall between their capital. So you can get started with them. And this is their physical address, which of course you can visit if in case you have any queries which need physical meetup. So you can reach out to them at this Sterling Tower 20 Marina, Lagos Island, Lagos State. Then you can reach out to them. They have contact phone number, which is very easier for everyone who is actually need or want to reach out to them. And this is their official email if you want to get in touch with them to ask more info about how it works. Then they also have different kind of loans product, which of course it will definitely benefit you. You can also check your Specta score, which of course it will determine how much loan they are going to be borrowing you. And you can also get their Ultra credit card, which is one of the card you can use to shop online. They also pay with Specta. So paying with Specta is another platform which of course you can use to pay for your online stuff if you are trying to purchase something online. So you can check out the pay with Specta, which of course will also make it easier for you to get started with. And also you can check out their terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy in order to know what you'll be getting from them and to understand how the loan platform works before you just jump into the platform to start borrowing a loan. So like I said earlier on, you can also visit this particular page on how you can actually get started by borrowing a loan from Specta. So it's very easy to get a loan from Specta, and it only takes you 5 minutes to get started with the platform. So all they need from you is to understand who you are, your surname, your organization, or the kind of business you literally want to start with the platform. And they're going to ask for a BVN because it's very important to determine how much loan they should borrow you as a business owner. But if of course you want to borrow a loan for a personal use, you also need to specify that you are a unemployed. That means you are working for yourself. So that means they will be able to determine how much of loan you'll be able to pay back, and they will also be able to determine how much of loan they should give you. So this will also give them the idea on the kind of person they are trying to transact with, and also to know that you are going to pay back any kind of amount of loan you borrow from the platform. So this all I have for you in this video on how to get started with Specta loan and how to borrow a loan from Specta for your business or for personal needs. So but if you have any question, you can also reach out to me through the comment section, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request as fast as possible. So I'll provide the link to this loan application process in the description of this video below, which of course you can use to get started with this platform. So thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.